calm, persistent hum that's the sound of the future emerging on three wheels. Smart, compact, sustainable. Meet the 2025 Electric Trike Camper, a revolution in micro-RV travel. As you glide through mountain passes, desert roads or quiet coastal highways, you're not just driving, you're redefining freedom. No gas, no noise, zero emissions, but all the thrills, all the comfort, all the style. Today, we dive deep into this little camper that could and does. From its engineering marvels to its solar-powered independence, from clever storage to plush living space, from tech integrations you'd expect on a spaceship to raw camping grunt, we explore how it's built, what it can do, and why it matters if you're a weekend warrior, an overlanding minimalist, or simply someone who dreams of swapping the daily grind for uncharted roads. You start with the exterior. Tri-wheel layout at the front, single rear wheel, measuring just about 8 feet long, sculpted aero lines, LED headlights seamlessly integrated into a composite body that blends polycarbonate and recycled aluminum. It's about 4 inches narrower than a typical SUV, which means you slip through forest roads and city alleys alike. But don't mistake size for weakness. It sits on a mid-mounted electric motor between the front wheels, delivering roughly 50 horsepower and instant torque, giving you that scooter-like zing from a stop, and ample grunt on climbs. With dual independent front suspension and electronic regenerative braking on all 3 wheels, it's sporty and responsive, with the ability to lean gently in corners for stability and rider confidence. Battery capacity is 35 kilowatt-hours, enough energy for a single day's journey or several short hops. But what makes this trike camper shine is the option for a range extender drone. A removable lithium-ion pod that drops into the front floor well, adding another 10 kilowatt-hours and about 40 extra miles of range. It's cleverly modular, snaps in magnetically, and you can carry multiple units to swap out on remote trips. Plus, the exterior roof has integrated flexible solar panels, rated 800 watts under ideal sun, feeding power into the standard 3.3 kilowatts inverter. Plug in your mini fridge, USB devices, LED lights, or charge the drone pod while you hike, no campsite hookups needed. Slide the door open, and a world unfolds. The interior is under 8 feet tall, but they've built it to feel loft-like. Up front, a compact seating area with 2 swivel captain's chairs, upholstered in recycled leather. Between them, a small pull-out table, big enough for laptops, meal prep, or card games. Soft ambient lighting with hue control sets the mood: warm for reading, cool for productivity. Overhead storage bins on both sides hold daily gear, coats, water bottles, that extra sweater. Behind the seats, the kitchen module is a feat of space engineering. A 2-burner induction cooktop and a small sink slide out on telescoping rails. Underneath, a mini fridge, drawer storage for Uta.